In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to update any graphic cards driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to navigate at the bottom search bar and type for control panel. Once you've typed it, navigate to the option called Open, click on it, and eventually, in a few moments, you will be able to bring up the control panel window which contains all of the computer settings. So here, please navigate to the View By and change that into large icons. Once you have viewed the window for large icons, please proceed with the option which is called device manager, which is in my case I have seen it at the second column next to backup and restore. So click on it and this kind of window would appear, which is your device manager. Once you have bring this up, close your control panel so that we can focus on this one. So from here, please navigate to the display adapters, click on this forward arrow, and it will show you the graphic cards driver that you have installed or that you have used in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So there are two ways on how to update it. You can make a right click, go with update driver, and then this way you can update either automatically or manually. So please proceed with the first one. And if your machine says that the best drivers for your device are already installed, then click on this search for updated drivers on Windows Update, and it will redirect you to the searching for update drivers. Your machine will search for updated drivers. Just install that updated driver. And once you have installed that, restart your computer. And in that way, you have just successfully installed your graphic card driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Another way is that you can manually update it by making a right click here, go with update driver, and go with manually. Select for let me pick from a list of available drivers in your computer. And from here, it will show you all of the graphics driver that is compatible to your hardware or that is compatible to your machine. Just try out one by one, click on next, install that, go with the second, click on next, and so on. And in that way, you have just successfully manually update your graphic card driver in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. So if you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day everyone.